Hey everyone, today we're breaking down the HoneyWarm Heater, the viral heater you've seen all over social media promising instant room warmth, huge energy saving, and miracle performance. But is it worth it or not? So, based on the independent reviews, these are overwhelmingly negative. On Trustpilot, the HoneyWarm brand shows almost 100% one-star reviews, with buyers calling it scam, delayed delivery, knock-off product that doesn't hit as advertised. Many say that they never received their orders, and that's its customer service was unresponsive. The marketing claims rapid, whole room heating and significant energy saving, but independent test and user accounts tells a different story. So is the Honey Warm Heater worth it in 2025? Not if you expect the performance promised in ads. It doesn't hit whole room quickly and energy savings are minimal. Not also if you want a reliable customer services or delivery and given the numerous reports of delays and refund issues. Yes, if you need a cheap, localized warmth right in front of you and you're okay with limited heating power. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.